In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome untitled blank page. If Chrome is opening a blank page with no title, or if a specific website keeps loading as an untitled blank screen, this usually points to a startup or launch issue with the browser. One simple fix you can try is adjusting the Chrome shortcut settings and then restarting your computer so the change takes effect properly. To begin, go to your Google Chrome icon on your desktop. If you normally open Chrome from there, this is the shortcut you want to edit. Once you find it, right-click on the Chrome icon and select Properties from the menu. This will open a settings window for that shortcut. Inside the Properties window, click on the Shortcut tab if it is not already open. In this section, you will see a field labeled Target. This field contains the path Chrome uses when it launches. Carefully go to the very end of the text in that target box, add a space, and then type -no-sandbox, written as -no sandbox. Make sure you add it at the end exactly, and do not erase the existing text. The space before it is important, because without that space, the command may not work correctly. After you have added that text, click Apply to save the change. If Windows asks for permission, go ahead and allow it. Then click OK to close the Properties window. Once that is done, restart your computer. This step matters because it helps make sure Chrome and any related background processes fully reload using the updated shortcut setting. After your computer turns back on, open Chrome again and try visiting the specific website that was giving you the untitled blank page problem. In many cases, this will resolve the issue and allow the page to load normally. As a helpful tip, make sure you open Chrome using the same shortcut you just edited, since the change applies to that shortcut. If you use a different Chrome shortcut from the taskbar or Start menu, it may not use the updated setting. Follow the steps carefully, especially when editing the target field, and you should be able to fix the Chrome untitled blank page issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.